If you're an IT manager, you're going to keep hearing three letters, ITSM, and a lot of people will make it sound far more complicated than it is. Here's the plain English version. IT service management is just how you design, deliver, and keep improving the services the business depends on. That's it. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the one big idea behind ITIL 4, the four dimensions you check when something breaks, and the handful of practices that actually matter in your first year. No certification required. Stick around for a free Service Desk SLA framework you can start using this week. Start with the single idea everything else hangs on. The purpose of IT is not to manage technology. It's not to run systems. It's to co-create value with the business, measurable improvement in the outcomes the business is trying to achieve. Why does this matter to you as a manager? Because it's the language that wins arguments. When you defend a budget line, plan a project, or explain a service to a skeptical stakeholder, value is the word that lands. Not uptime, not features. Value. Keep the focus there, and the rest of ITSM falls into place. When a service works well, or breaks, the cause almost always sits in one of four dimensions. Learn to check all four. 1. People and organizations, the skills, roles, and culture behind the service. 2. Information and technology, the systems and data. This is the one techies obsess over, but it's only a quarter of the picture. 3. Partners and suppliers, your cloud providers, vendors, and contractors. 4. Value streams and processes, how the work actually flows, step by step. The trap is assuming every problem is technical. Most aren't. Check all four, and you'll find the real cause faster. ITIL also describes a service value chain, 6 connected activities that turn demand into valuable services. Plan, improve, engage, design and transition, obtain or build, and deliver and support. Don't memorize these. Here's the only takeaway you need. Service delivery isn't one activity, it's a chain of them, and a weakness in any single link drags down the whole thing. When something feels off across your service, ask which link is weak. One more shift in language. ITIL 4 talks about practices, not just processes. A process is a set of steps. A practice is those steps plus the knowledge, skills, and tools to do them well. There are many practices, but as a new manager, you only need a handful to start. Incident management, problem management, change enablement, service request fulfillment, the service desk, and the service catalog. The next 2 videos break down the 2 you'll live in every single day, running your service desk and managing incidents and problems. So, strip away the jargon, and ITSM is 4 things. It exists to create value. When something breaks, you check 4 dimensions, not just the tech. Delivery is a chain, so mind every link, and you lead with practices, not just paperwork. If you want a running start on the most important practice, grab the free Service Desk SLA framework in the description. Subscribe. Next week, we fix the service desk that's drowning your team. Lead well.